Here we are, shooting a little baby. Today we're photographing little baby rescue Bolt, my best friend's brand new foster fail. And what, she's like 3 months old?
Probably 4 or 5.
3, 4 months old. Okay, all right. Come watch us photograph her. Okay. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay. All right, take a seat and angle towards the, there you go, just a little bit. Maybe like this right there. And you're gonna be looking like right about here. Okay. I wanna see this necklace just a pinch more.
Should I be holding her?
Yeah. The first one you're gonna be holding her, so she's gonna be in your lap for this. I'm gonna make a noise with this duck call so she actually looks at me. Who's that little baby? Okay, so give me dead behind the eyes.
Are my feet in this?
No.
Okay.
Dead behind the eyes, a partial lobotomy, slight smile, a little bit more. And okay, sorry, look here instead. Actually, can you give me more of the, actually let's do stoic. Look at me. Perfect, just like that. Okay, don't move, I'm gonna get her attention. Actually, shoulders back. You're very helpful.
Get it, girl.
You could use this for your casting
Yeah,
rich lady painting over her fireplace vibes.
That one picture with of me in.
Can I pick you up? Oh, yes, I know. You're just being teleported.
Oof. Oof. My teleported baby. Look how good picture.
Okay, give me like, you know, some, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. Gosh, you're obsessed. You're obsessed.
I need to maybe hide it behind me. I didn't have a feather. Hey, I need you for my picture. What about this?
Thank you. That's very helpful. Thank you for helping me find that. Okay.
I don't know if this is gonna work. No, it's gonna work.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. I'm gonna do the duck call this time so she doesn't run at me. I'm gonna put this up here where she can't see it. Yeah, where did it go? I don't know. I don't know where it went.
Maybe I'll get her.
Do you need another one? I have plenty of them. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Beautiful. Can you try to drape her over your lap really quick and just see what she does? Or like feet, her butt on the floor and draped the other way.
This way?
And then just still do that pose if you can.
Sitting on churros. Just sitting on churros.
Got it. Perfect. You're a wild one.
Sorry,
You're a
I
crazy
had that
one.
churro.
No, that's okay. I can watch this thing. It's the great thing about that thing.
Listen, you have to be a good baby and take good pictures.
Gorgeous. Give me a nice cross at the ankles. Those shoes are so cute. Are they like so uncomfortable?
Yeah. Oh, this is a cute one.
That's gorgeous. Perfect. Look right at me. Who's that?
Good. Love you, look good.
Something like that. There, that's
It
perfect.
was-
Thank you.
I think something like that would have been like 30 grand in the States.
Of course.
It was
Yeah.
10 with them, but I'm like, Jesus Christ, Brian's having this.
That girl's trusting them with a full ass mouth
Yeah.
of teeth. I have that cute mod hat that Angie made, Francois, when she was.
Black?
Let me see.
for
It's.
her.
It was like a little mod, like. It's red though.
A mini hat. She's a wild animal.
Look in that first thing, and I think the second one is the hat one. Yeah, the pink one, and then grab that other one. That's filled with hats.
Oh my God, look at this stuff.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you ready to take a ride?
Whee! She likes it. You know what? She likes it.
You're a high quality cat.
Hey, quality kitty.
Do you want to sit in a chair for this one, or do you want to do?
Yeah, can I sit?
Yeah.
in a clear chair?
Oh, I have the red mod chair too.
Ooh, yeah.
The Saarinen chair.
This is all about you.
So this, and then a really pretty cross. Can you try? Oh, that's cute. That looks very pretty.
Are you dead? What's happening?
There you go. Perfect. Those look so cute. Just because we have everything out, let's do like one. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Look down at her. Ah, that's so cute. Okay, let's try, because she's chill, try to do one quick one where you're like this, maybe holding like that. You did so good.
Well, what do you got?
You just, I don't have any more treats for you. You can have a whole ass churu if you want.
The ravenous. Oh, get it. Oh, good job. Oh, just get it
I hope you enjoyed that. That was Bolt and Irena. She's just the teeny tiniest little baby. Are you serious? Oh my God. That hurt.